guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day when I'm going for my haircut. Yes, after such a long time I got my haircut and this color and a lot of things. I think in last year July, I mean, like, it happens all the time, you know. I think I always get new makeover after a year or something. Yeah, so today I'm going for a haircut, or maybe, you know, Keratin. Yeah, we are driving, so my hand is moving. I'm going to the same place where I got my haircut last time in city at First Styler Salon. So now there's a weird update I wanted to tell you guys. Yeah, my face is burnt. Yeah, this is burnt. I got my face waxed today and this is what happened, and I am very disappointed and in very bad mood because of this, because I am going on vacation. Yes, in few days before you get this vlog, I'll be on a vacation in Miami. Yay. And this is the result before going to the vacation. But yeah, whatever, anyhow, it's okay. So we are going, and I'm going to show you how my haircut gonna be. And let's see, I'm just hoping, because, you know, I'm just hating this thing, so I'm just hoping my haircut will be like super fun. So let's just go and let's get that. So we reached here. So my plan is to get bangs, and I hope today I'll get bangs. Also, after such a great weather for like so many days, today for the weekend it's freezing cold and I just hate it. Sharma ji ka bhi haircut karane aaye hum. He also like my hair salon.
One sec, I come back, okay? Don't move, okay?
Little bit, yeah, that's it. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna.
All the time you like to change. Yeah. I like it.
So it's good, you
Yeah,
know.
it look good already.
I look young. People
You
say
are young.
you look 18, you know.
But I can do a suggestion for you.
Give me bangs. Don't say you're not giving me. I want bangs.
I do.
I think you should give her backs because it's gonna open up her face.
Yes.
See, look.
Yeah,
Small forehead.
Yeah,
It's
it'll-
gonna open up her face.
Right. He always say no, you know.
No, just do it.
A little bit.
Let me show this one here.
Last time also he said no, I don't want to give you bangs. But this
Well,
time,
because last
I
time
told
it was
you last time.
yeah, you said no.
Don't move, okay?
Beautiful.
Oh, my mother gonna kill me, you know.
It looks so good.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, I like it.
That's his signature now.
That's like that. Normal.
You know, they're gonna grow back in like 10 days, I know.
Yeah, it looks so good. This haircut is perfect for you. Perfect.
Thank you, thank you.
Perfect.
See?
Perfect.
He's my other.
तेरे तो बाल मेरे इतने हो गए.
He said your hair is like mine now.
पीछे तो खत्म ही हो गए तेरे बाल.
अच्छा है, छोटे चाहिए मुझे.
This part okay? A little more?
I think this is okay.
Yeah.
That's okay, yeah. Less is good.
It's only the tile. Okay?
Yeah. Can I cut it?
नहीं
Just be cute.
That's a good picture, man. Go. It's okay. Look in the middle. Here it's okay.
Yeah.
A little bit longer, okay?
She's coming back. She's gonna come. Yeah, finally. I like your shirt haircut. Thank you. I love your hair. I was telling Polo. Oh, thank you.
She has a lot too. Don't move, okay?
ज़्यादा छोटी नहीं होगी गौरव? हैं? ये बेटर है ना? ठीक है ठीक। अब ठीक लगेगी।
वो जो होते हैं ना छोटे छोटे से कुतूरे से,
थप्पड़ मार देना गौरव, सीरियसली।
वो जो होते हैं जिनके बाल सट गए होते हैं।
Go away.
Just look like
Well,
that.
he says it looks like little puppies, you know. Don't say that, okay?
Funny, very funny. Look in the mirror.
Actually, oh my god. I don't want to be weird, you know.
I put a little bit of hairspray.
अच्छे लग रहे हैं पक्का? और प्लीज अब ऐसे ना बोलना, ठीक है? Alright guys, so this is my final look today with a little bit of makeup, you know, and my face is healing as well. I hope it heals before I reach for my vacation, before Tuesday, yes. But it's getting better, so I've applied a little bit of, you know, tinted moisturizer to cover it, but it's not covered properly, but that's okay. So this is my haircut. Yesterday I was really skeptical about my bangs. I was feeling weird, to be honest, but today I'm totally enjoying it and I'm totally loving this. Hey guys, so this is it. This is my short haircut with bangs. I got these bangs for the first time in my life. I'm showing you guys the final look. This is how it looks, and yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to leave any comment, you have any views about this haircut, let me know in the comment section. And that's it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel because your one subscribe means a lot. Much love. Mwah.